Welcome back to Out Here in the Garage. Today I'm working on this 1965 silver blue Mustang that I've featured before. This morning and late last week I was working on the front suspension. Right behind me here you can see the shock tower opening. That's what I'm working on cleaning up. So I've gone in here and scraped off any loose undercoating, leaving some. I'm going to go back in here and touch it up some. Then I cleaned it up with a wire brush, knock any loose stuff off. Then I wiped it down with a wax and grease remover, used a metal prep solution on any surface rust. Then came back and painted it with Rust-Oleum 2X semi-gloss paint, and it's a paint and primer, so you're getting a 2-for-1 deal there. But it looks pretty good. It's solid down in here. I've already mocked up disc brakes on it. This aftermarket kit. There's the bracket. Going to clean up this spindle. And I've removed the control arms. They're pretty old, and as you know, these things just get squeaky. So instead of rebuilding them, they're so affordable nowadays that we've bought new parts. Got an upper and a lower. And I'm sure I have spring bushings, but if I don't, I'm going to have to get some of those before I put it all together. And I also noticed on this aftermarket lower control arm, it didn't come with a grease fitting, but that's pretty easily remedied by drilling it, tapping it, and putting in a fitting. The upper's got it right there. And it came with grease fittings to go right here in the upper bushing, but need the 90-degree ones to make it easier to point out towards the side of the car. So we're going to do that. Putting torque boxes in too. There's one for this side. To remind you what this car looks like. 65 coupe. It's going to be silver blue metallic. Got the rear end pulled out of it. Just a straight boat axle stuck in. Got the rear end cleaned up. Let's go out here and look at it. All right, here's the rear end. Came out pretty clean looking. Sandblasted it. Primed it with epoxy primer and painted it. It's a low mileage original. I'm going to put some seals in it, but all the bearings feel really good in it. That's an 8-inch. Here's some more parts for the disc brake conversion. Brake rotor. Brand new hubs. The rear is still going to have drum brakes. And here's the backing plate. And it's common on these, but the brake shoes will rub a groove into these pads. These pads are supposed to be lightly greased when you put your brake shoes on, so they'll slide back and forth. I was able to smooth those out some with the flap wheel. This right here is going to need a little MIG welding and grind it down flush. We'll go back in here to the car. Looking pretty good here. I'm working on this torque box right now. There's the torque box. Here's where we go. Ford put them in 68 Mustangs and that, maybe one side on 67. But this will help rigid everything up. And here's this side before doing anything to it. It might have got a little sand on it when we were sandblasting, some epoxy. You can see where these upper ball joints have been replaced before with 4 bolts, which the new ones are riveted, and the originals were too. That's what the disc brake adapter bracket looks like. All right, that's a look at what we're doing on this 1965 Ford Mustang. If you like what I'm putting on here on this YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and come check it out next time. If you got any questions, you want a video of something, let me know, and I'll try to post it up. Thanks for watching.